Hello everybody, Mark here from Soarfly Concepts. Today we're going to be showing, I am going to be showing you how to make a pyramid and a cone in SketchUp. Pyramids are probably the easier one to make. Cones, they can be a little bit difficult if you do them in difficult ways. I'm just going to be showing you how to make the basic shapes for now. So we're going to start with a pyramid. We've got a nice square base, so let's go for 30 by 30. There we go, like that. You can really see how far I'm zoomed out. Alright, let's just move that vaguely to where we're working. There we are, that works. Here we go, so zoom in on that. What I'm going to do now is just draw a line from corner to corner. That gives us our direct center point up there. 15 meters high for that. Go ahead and delete that line, we don't need it anymore. Don't need that one either. Okay, now we've got our center point for the top. And if we just lay down the lines, we have our nice equilateral pyramid. I don't know if that's the right word, equilateral pyramid. Not sure. Well, the bottom is 30 meters by 30 meters, so each one of these is 30 meters long, and the area in there is something or other. So yeah, that's the quickest way I know to make a pyramid. There are other ways as well, which I'll just show you real quickly. Actually, no. We go back to where we started from with that line. So we get rid of that, leaving us with that again. Another way of doing this is to go like that, giving us a face. We then draw a line straight across the center. We then get a center point for that line, so double click on the face, using a protractor tool. So I think that's what it's called anyway. Hold down, press Control, and then just start joining up the sides. There we go. That's another way to make a pyramid. There are a couple more ways that people like to do it, but this is the way that I found is this is the way that I found is the fastest, quickest way. There we go, the quickest way. Okay, now moving on to cones. Cones are a little bit different because they're cylindrical. That's a big word. Nice cylindrical shape down there. In fact, no, we're going to do this properly. Do this properly or not at all. 15 centimeter radius. Now the radius, for those of you who are math bums out there and everyone who likes maths, the radius is the center point of the circle to the edge, or the edge to the center. So double the radius is the exact width of the circle. The circumference is how big it is around. So yeah, radius is 15 meters. That gives us a circle diameter of 30 meters. So it's the same size as our pyramid base. Which means I'm going to go 15 up. And we're going to join onto the line like so. We're going to crack out our old friend the Follow Me tool right here. Once we've selected the line on the outside, then we're going to click the shape, giving us an instant cone. If you want to close off the bottom, just draw a line across and then delete it. There we go, instant cone. Now I have seen people on YouTube doing a similar sort of thing with this, but what they do is they get this far and then they go like that. The reason why they do that is because then they can join the lines individually up. It may sound like madness, but there is definitely a method to it. Okay, as you can see, we're now halfway round. And what if we only wanted half a circle anyway? What if we only wanted half a cone? Well, we can now get rid of that, leaving us with half a cone. I don't know what you would want to do with half a cone, but it's there if you need it. I'm just going to make this. There we go. It's now the side of a roof, half a cone. To soften these edges, you can either use the soften tool or the eraser. Hold down Control and just go nuts, like that. Give us nice soft edges. There are a lot simpler. There are a few more simple ways of doing just exactly the same thing with that. If you wanted half a cone, then you can always use the Follow Me tool to do exactly the same thing, probably in about half the time. we just click on hidden geometry in the view, we now know exactly where things are. Just join 1 to 1 like so, and a line straight across the bottom to our group. Get rid of that. Okay, and we can get rid of the rest. So when I said there's method to the madness, there really isn't, in my opinion anyway. I haven't come across a project yet where I've needed to draw the lines individually. There's been a couple where I've had to add a couple of lines here or there, but in my opinion this is the fastest way to make a cone, half a cone, and a pyramid. That's my solid opinion. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. My name's Mark. This is Soarfly Concepts. Comment, subscribe, anything you need to know, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to get back to you on that one. If you have any tutorial requests, just throw them in the comments and I shall definitely have a good go for you.